Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can remove image background using the website remove.pg. So first of all, I will need you guys to go to your PC and open any browser that you have in it. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. So now let's start ahead with going to Google and write remove.pg. So after that, this page will be open for us. Now what I will need you to do is go to sign up. And from here you can sign up using your account, email, password, or just continue with Google. So let's continue with Google and let's try this out. Now let's agree on this and let's click on sign up. Wait for it, and here we go. Now let's try something. For example, let's get an image and let's try, for example, this one. And here you see the background has been deleted completely, and you have like multiple options. You can download it like as it is, or you can make it even download HD. So basically you can have other options like edit it, and you can add other background behind it, adding this one, making this one here. Yeah, basically you can try all of these backgrounds, or we can erase some areas of your picture. So if it misses something or you want something else to be removed, you can remove it, or else you can restore it. So let's try this, and it restores the whole face. So let's keep restoring. It will restore some of our basically some of our original image. So yeah guys, you can actually let's remove this. You can here add design, create your free design like so, and start selling it and doing it in Canva, and a lot of stuff that you can actually see here. And yeah, you can rate the results, so the program or the AI can make it even better later on and can improve itself. So if it is bad, rate it bad. If it is good, make it good. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.